Hello, my name is Mathieu Bianconi. I am currently a production manager, but I also wear the hat of technical manager for NDT. I am certified in 3 methods as a level 3.
Hello, my name is Cyril Gielot. I am the NDT manager at NEOTISS. I am level 2 in ultrasonics, dye penetrant testing and leak testing, and level 3 in eddy current testing.
At NEOTISS, several NDT methods are used. So what is NDT? It includes ultrasonics, eddy current testing, leak testing, visual inspection, and dye penetrant testing. There are a huge number of techniques available to us. Why is it essential to combine all these techniques? Obviously, because all these techniques don't detect the same defect, the same type of discontinuity in our products.
The benefit for our clients of these different inspections is, well, the safe and trouble-free startup of their installations and ensuring the longevity of our products in use. Do I have a concrete example of where an NDT inspection would have prevented a problem? To be honest, every day our inspections allow us to avoid or eliminate defects that could lead to a failure of the equipment.
How does NEOTISS go further than what our clients ask of us? That's actually a bit of our guiding principle. So the NEOTISS investment in NDT is really an investment in people. At NEOTISS, we already have 2 level 3s, 2 level 3s in a company. That's already quite rare. The second thing is the involvement and support we provide to our clients. So either we provide expertise or we bring our NDT expertise to help them make decisions. Being proactive is the third point. We have the skills to suggest to the client and say, here, I think this is the level of quality we need to aim for. We should achieve it with this, and this, and go even further than what they expect. As he requested them, we suggest ways to improve and slightly redesign his request with the final use of his product in mind. So at NEOTISS, we always take on the challenge of delivering premium quality, the most stringent standards, and the most sensitive detection. So we are always very proactive in pushing for higher sensitivity and quality levels in the product. If I had a message to share with our clients regarding NDT, I would tell them NEOTISS is about the expertise of our people. So expertise in NDT, and it's also about more than 40 years of experience in tube manufacturing. And so it's a key player in the NDT field.
As an NDT expert, I feel extremely proud to contribute to the quality and feasibility of NEOTISS inspections and products, continuing what my predecessors have built. If I had to sum up the importance of the various NDT tests for the quality of NEOTISS tubes, I would say NEOTISS, high performance tube by Sende.